Welcome back, students. I'm your teacher Sandeep Gaikwad. In this session, I'm going to talk about logical channels in GSM. This is what is the concept we have seen in the last few sessions. There is uplink and downlink. We can say the two carriers, one is supported from mobile station and one is supported by the BTS. So as per the height, if it concern, from top to bottom, if it is there, that means BTS to the mobile, we call that as downlink, and from mobile station towards the BTS antenna, that we can call as uplink. So basically the physical channel which is carrying total 8 different user in a time frame. So each time slot on a carrier is referred to as a physical channel. Per carrier, there are 8 physical channels. This we have seen as per the GSM standard. So all those slots, we can say the carrier, the real carrier frequency, which is carrying all the 8 time slots, that we call as physical channel. There are some channels that we call as logical channels. So what is the use of it, that in this session we are going to discuss. Variety of information is transmitted between mobile station and base transmissive system. There are different logical channels depend on information that it's sent. There are different two types of logical channel that also we will see in coming sessions. Now what is exactly logical channel? In addition to physical channel, that is what we have seen is the time slots, GSM uses concepts of logical channel to run over a physical channel, but not necessarily in all its time slot. Logical channels are classified as traffic channel and control channel. So traffic means the real information related to the data or related to the voice that will be carried by traffic channel, and controlling channel to establish the connection, to maintain the connection, and to disconnect the connection. Some of the handshaking controls that are required, that we can call as control channels. Control channel which do not require to repeat at every full rate of a physical channel. So it is not going with full rate, that which we have seen in previous slide. It will be not necessarily required to be full rate. Most of these control channels can therefore multiplexed onto a single physical channels known as control channel. It manages setup, it maintaining the call, and it can tear down the call. This is what are the distribution of logical channels and its subchannels. So mainly logical channel, as we have seen, it is divided into two. Common is the control channel and traffic channel. Traffic channel, again, it can be used for two different purposes. One is speech and another one is data. So we can say half data rate, which will be 11.4 kbps, full data rate 22.8 kbps. If it is for data, it is 2.4, 4.8 and 9.6 kbps. Talking about control channels, it is again subdivided into three categories, that is BCH. Here in all my PPTs, on the slides, you can see CH. The CH stands for channel. So B stands for broadcast channel, common control channel, and dedicated channel. So under that, again, it is individually at each the sub level, it is divided into three parts. Respectively, we will continue with broadcast channels, FCCH, frequency correction channel, synchronization channel. BCCH is broadcast control channel. For common control channel, there it has a paging channel, random access channel, access grant channel, and under dedicated channel, it can be have SDCCH, which is nothing but standalone channel, slow associated channel, and fast associated channel. We will see it in detail. Under the broadcast channel BCH, we have seen it has three subtype frequency correction channel. On FCCH, burst only containing zeros are transmitted. You will see these frequency correction things into the burst once again. So it is basically carrying zeros that are transmitted. This serves two purposes. First, to make sure that this is a broadcast control carrier, and second, to allow the mobile station to synchronize to the frequency. So FCCS is transmitted downlink only. So this is only the downlink channel that we can say a logical channel into it, which is carrying certain synchronization frequency correction information in with it, so that the correct frequency can be synchronized when the downlink sends some frequency channel, then that has to be correctly tuned by your mobile station so that the transmit and receive frequency exactly match as a pair. Second one we can see under it is synchronization channel. Mobile station needs to synchronize to the time structure within the particular cell, and also ensures that the chosen BTS is in GSM based station, is a GSM based station. By listening to the synchronization channel, the mobile station receives information about the frame number in the cell. So this synchronization is basically done related to the time structure, the frame structure, time frame structure, in which time slot a particular user is going to be placed. So that kind of information this synchronization channel is going to handle. So SCH is transmitted downlink only. Looking into the third subpart of it that we can call as a second part is broadcast control channel. This broadcast control channel, the mobile station must receive some general information concerning the sale in order to start roaming, waiting for call to arrive, or making call. So it is a broadcast control related channel. The needed information is broadcast on the broadcast control channel and includes the location area identity, which we call LAI. Also, maximum output power allowed in the cell, and the BCCH carriers for the neighboring cells on which mobile station performs measurement. So this broadcast control channel is transmitted on downlink only. Using this FCCH synchronization channel and broadcast control channel, mobile station tunes to the BTS and synchronize with the frame structure in that cell. The BTS are not synchronized to each other. Therefore, every time mobile station camps on another cell, it must listen to FCCH synchronization and broadcast control channel in the new cell. Looking into the second subtype, common control channel, it has again three sub-channels into it. One out of that is paging channel. At certain time interval, the mobile station listens to the paging channel to check whether the network want to make contact with the mobile station. The network may want to contact the mobile station, could be an incoming call or an incoming short messages. So we see many times, though our phone is idle, many times some messages that comes randomly at any time. So whether your system is idle and nothing is happening with the phone, no incoming call and outgoing call, system is idle, but still certain advertising messages that we can receive on a phone. The information on paging channel is paging messaging, including the mobile station's identity number like IMSI or a temporary number TMSI. This paging channel is transmitted downlink only. So this is again only a downlink. Next one, random access channel. The mobile station listens to this paging channel to determine when it is being paged. When the mobile station is paged, it replies on the random access channel. So anything that is required, so that can be accessed, or we can say it is replied with the random access channel. Random access channel can also be used if the mobile station want to contact the network. For example, when setting up the mobile originated call, that's what it is called random access. At any random time, mobile station, if it wants to reply, either any want to get any kind of service, it will reply it on random access channel. So random access channel is transmitted uplink only. So it is from mobile station towards the BTS. Third subpart of common control channel is access grant channel. The network assigns a signaling channel that we can call standalone dedicated control channel SDCCH to the mobile station. So a particular standalone channel, dedicated channel can be assigned once it is requested by mobile station. So this is what is the granting. This assignment is performed on the access grant channel. So access grant channel is transmitted downlink. So if you are demanding want to access the network, its acknowledgement or its grant can be permitted using access grant channel. Third subpart is dedicated control channel. It has again three subchannels into it. Stand-alone dedicated control channel SDCCH. The mobile station as well as BTS switches over to the assigned SDCCH. The call setup procedure is performed on this standalone dedicated control channel as well as the textual message transmission in idle mode. So this is the dedicated control channel that can be offered by BTS. So SDCCH is transmitted both uplink and downlink. So it is basically for performing the call setup. The mobile station is told to switch to a traffic channel. Once the call is set up, then it will be transferred, it will be told mobile station to switch to the real traffic channel. Slow associated control channel SACCH. The SACCH is associated with standalone dedicated control channel or traffic channel. On the uplink, mobile station sends averaged measurement on its own BTS, that is signal strength and the quality, and neighboring BTS signal strength. On the downlink, mobile station receives information concerning transmitted power to use an instruction on the timing advancing. This channel is transmitted both uplink and downlink. So it is dealing with uplink and downlink both. So getting the signal strength information and the quality of the signal, this slow associated control channel is helping in logical structure. Fast associated control channel. If a handover is required, FACCH is used. Fast associated control channel working in stealing mode, meaningly that one of 20 millisecond segment of speech is exchanged for signaling information necessarily for the handover. Under normal conditions, subscriber does not notice the speech interruption is because of the speech coder repeats the previous speech block. This channel is used over traffic channel. It appears on demand. So whenever there is a handoff procedure is going on, or the user is in the high speed communication or high speed vehicle, and sometimes the call need to still go into the stealing mode, there this 20 millisecond segment speech is getting repeated. So repeated message we generally don't realize even while communicating during the high speed mobile. So it is generally required during handover procedure. So it comes as and when it is required. Thank you very much, sir. Students, I am signing out. Thank you very much.